You hear stories about dropshipping and e-commerce and it sounds so easy. You just find a product, run some ads and watch the money roll in. But if you've ever tried it, you know the reality is much, much harder. The first big problem is finding a product that will actually sell. People spend weeks, even months, scrolling through AliExpress or Amazon, trying to guess what the next big thing will be. It's a total shot in the dark, and most of the time you end up picking something that nobody wants to buy. It's a frustrating and time-consuming process that stops most people before they even get started. Let's say you finally find a product you think might work. Now comes the expensive part. You have to build a website, which can cost money and takes a lot of technical skill to get right. You need a good-looking Shopify store, professional photos, and convincing product descriptions. Then, you have to spend a ton of money on advertising. You're running Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or Google ads, and you're just burning through your savings. You might spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to see if a single person will click the buy button. More often than not, those ads don't work, and you're left with nothing to show for it but an empty bank account. The entire process is a huge gamble. You're betting your time and your hard-earned money on a guess. You're guessing that you found the right product. You're guessing that your website is good enough. You're guessing that your ads will reach the right people. It's an incredibly stressful way to build a business, and the failure rate is extremely high. Most people who try dropshipping give up within a few months because they run out of money or just can't handle the constant pressure and disappointment. The dream of passive income quickly turns into a nightmare of active losses, and it's a cycle that repeats for thousands of aspiring entrepreneurs. Think about all the hidden costs too. Beyond the ads and the website, there are monthly subscription fees for apps, payment processing fees, and the cost of dealing with customer service. If someone wants a refund, you have to handle it. If a product gets lost in shipping, you have to track it down. You become a business owner, a marketer, a customer support agent, and a financial manager all at once. It's not the simple, hands-off business model that people on social media make it out to be. There has to be a smarter, less risky way to tap into the world of e-commerce without taking on all of that stress and financial burden yourself. This is where things get interesting. There is a much smarter way to do this, and it involves using AI to do all the hard work for you. A new generation of tools is changing the game completely. One of the best ones I've found is called Sell the Trend. This platform uses powerful AI to scan everything happening online. It analyzes social media sites like TikTok and Instagram, and it watches what's selling on major e-commerce stores like Amazon and Shopify. It's basically a spy that works for you 24/7, and its only job is to find products that are starting to go viral before anyone else knows about them. This is a massive advantage. Instead of you guessing what might be popular, the AI shows you exactly what is already working. Sell the Trend has a feature called the Nexus, which is an AI-powered research machine. It looks at millions of products and tracks their sales data in real time. It shows you how many stores are selling a product, how fast its sales are growing, and even how much profit you could make on it. It gives you all the data you need to make an informed decision, completely removing the guesswork from the equation. You no longer have to spend your nights scrolling through endless product pages hoping to find a hidden gem. The AI does it all for you. The best part is, this isn't just about finding hot products. The tool goes deeper. It can show you which TikTok videos featuring a certain product are getting the most views. It can find the Facebook ads that are performing the best for that item. It even helps you find reliable suppliers who can ship the product quickly. You get a complete 360-degree view of any product's potential market. This is the kind of research that used to take a team of experts weeks to compile. Now you can get it all in a few clicks. The AI is essentially your personal market research team, giving you an unfair advantage over everyone else. So how does this help you make money? Here is the key insight, and it's the most important part of this entire strategy. You don't have to sell these products yourself. Let me say that again. You do not need to build a store, run any ads, or deal with any customers. All of that risk, all of that stress, and all of that cost are completely off the table. You're going to use this powerful AI research for something else entirely. You're going to take the valuable data that the AI finds and turn it into a product of its own. You're not in the business of selling physical items, you're in the business of selling information. Here's the step-by-step plan. It's incredibly simple. Your new job is to become a trend reporter. You will use the data from Sell the Trend to create simple, easy-to-read digital reports. Let's say the AI tells you that a new type of smart water bottle is trending. You'll gather all the key data points, its sales growth, the top-performing TikTok videos, the best suppliers, and the potential profit margin. You are taking this complex data and packaging it into a valuable, digestible format. Think of it as a winning product brief that you can create in under an hour. This is a product that other people who are still stuck in the old way of doing things would gladly pay for. To create these reports, you can use amazing free tools that make it incredibly easy. You don't need to be a graphic designer. For example, you can use a tool like Canva or Tome.app. These platforms have professional-looking templates that you can use to build your report. You just drag and drop the information. You can include screenshots of the sales charts from Sell the Trend, links to the viral TikToks, and a list of the suppliers. You can even use ChatGPT to help you write the descriptions and summaries. In a very short amount of time, you can produce a high-quality, professional-looking digital report that is packed with valuable information. Once your report is ready, you need a place to sell it. This is also very easy. You can sell these digital reports on platforms like Gumroad, Fiverr, or Etsy. You can set up a simple storefront on Gumroad and sell your report as a digital download for, say, $10 or $20. Or you could create a gig on Fiverr called "I will find you a winning dropshipping product using AI." When someone orders your gig, you just send them the report you created. The best part is that once you make the report, you can sell it over and over again. It's a digital asset that can generate income for you while you sleep. Think about who your customers are. They are the thousands of people who are desperate to succeed in e-commerce, but are struggling with product research. You are selling them a massive shortcut. Instead of them spending weeks searching and thousands on testing, they can pay you a small fee for a report that gives them a pre-vetted, data-backed winner. You are saving them time, money, and stress. This is a highly valuable service, and because you are using AI to do the heavy lifting, your work is minimal. You are leveraging technology to create a product that is in very high demand. Now let's take this to the next level and make it almost completely passive. You can set up simple automations that run this entire business for you. Imagine this. Someone buys your winning product report from your Gumroad store. You can use a tool like Zapier to automatically connect Gumroad to your email. The moment the purchase is complete, Zapier triggers an email that automatically sends the digital report to the customer. You don't have to lift a finger. The sale happens, the report is delivered, and the money appears in your account. This works 24/7, whether you are awake, asleep, or on vacation. You can even automate the creation of the reports themselves. You can set up a system where you use the Sell the Trend API to pull the latest data on trending products. Then you can feed that data into a custom GPT-4 prompt that is designed to structure it into a report format. You could have a prompt that says, "Take the following product data and create a 5-page report in a professional tone, including sections for market analysis, social media trends, and supplier information." The AI would write the entire report for you. Your only job would be to review it, maybe add some visuals in Canva, and upload it as a new product. This method is infinitely smarter and less stressful than traditional dropshipping. With dropshipping, your income is directly tied to your ad spend and daily management. If you stop running ads, your sales stop. With this report-selling business, you are creating digital assets. Each report you create is another potential stream of passive income. You are building a library of valuable information that can sell for months or even years. You have zero physical inventory, zero shipping costs, and zero customer service headaches. Your profit margins are close to 100% because your only real cost is the subscription for the research tool. So I want you to really think about this. You can either continue down the difficult path of traditional e-commerce with all its risks and stresses, or you can take a smarter approach. You can become an information broker powered by AI. You can provide immense value to others without taking on any of the risk yourself. This is the future of making money online, leveraging powerful tools to create and sell digital assets. The opportunity is right in front of you, the tools are readily available, and the demand is huge. Give it a try. Start small, create your first report, and see how easy it can be.